FHA, VA, I don't know, but he does. This is Eddie DeArmond at Citizens Bank, and we're talking mortgages on the Z Real Estate Lender Series. So tell me then about what type of loans that you offer. What are the different options that a home buyer might have?
Okay, so there's really 3 programs. We have a conventional, we have a FHA, and we have a VA loan. And I'll go through what those 3 are. So a conventional loan is just, it's a conventional, it's not an insured, guaranteed loan. It's sold off to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, which are government-sponsored enterprises. And VA is a VA that stands for, that's a VA loan. It's insured by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. Right. And that's a guaranteed loan from the VA, and they can get up to 100% financing. And then the FHA loan is another government-insured loan. That's through the Federal Housing Administration, and they can get in with 3.5% down. Okay. And that loan is also guaranteed through the government.
Great, okay. So the big difference between VA, FHA compared to the conventional is the guarantee from the federal government.
That is correct. So VA is insured by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. FHA is insured through the Federal Housing Administration.
Okay, so one of the questions I always hear is, I've already had an FHA loan. Can I get another one?
You can, but you typically have to sell your existing loan, your existing home, which has an FHA loan. Now there are some exemptions to that, but typically you can only have one FHA loan.
Okay, yeah, and likewise I hear about the same on the VA. Hey, I've used my VA loan, I can't use it again. Is that correct?
That is not correct.
Okay.
So VA is a little different. So you can have 2 VA loans at the same time, and it's all about entitlement. It depends on how much entitlement you have with your VA loan. Okay. So let's say you went and bought a $100,000 home. Well, VA can insure up to basically $484,350 of a total loan amount. So you would basically deduct your $100,000 from your $484,350. There's a little bit more of a formula, right. But that would allow you to get a $384,350 mortgage. Right. You have to buy a home over $144,001, $144,001. Okay. It's a strange calculation again with the VA.
Well, it's government again.
There you go. Yeah. So, but you can have 2 more. You can actually have 3 mortgages as long as you have that entitlement still.
Gotcha.
To the VA loan.